Draw Learning. Hello guys, welcome to Draw Learning channel. Today we are going to draw a pan flute while we learn Spanish. This is a very easy drawing. Easy in Spanish is fácil. These are bamboo canes. Bamboo in Spanish is bambú. It is a wind instrument. Wind in Spanish is viento. This flute has 6 canes. 6 in Spanish is SEIS. We draw these lines. Line in Spanish is línea. Now we use a larger marker to highlight our drawing. Marker in Spanish is rotulador. Now let's fill the drawing with color. Now we use the gray color, that is said, gris. Let's go with the brown, that in Spanish is said, marrón. Let's go with orange, that in Spanish is said, naranja. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing!